Hi Aquarius, welcome to your weekly reading of you and yours. This one is marked for the 1st to the 7th of June. But Aquarius, you know time is fluid. These energies are around you at this time. Or this is something you could have gone through, are going through, or will go through in your immediate future. So take it as, oh my God. Okay, it's just a peeker. We haven't begun yet, but I'll keep this card in mind in case it comes out again. Aquarius, you also know these readings are general, so each and every reading is not going to resonate with each Aquarius out there. So, let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So let's begin, Aquarius. So 2 sets of card, Aquarius, one for you, one for your person. Now these are not specific love readings. Your love readings will be uploaded soon, but this reading is for anyone who's affecting your energy the most at this time. Could be, boss, teacher, child, parent, anyone. So use your discernment as to who this is and which side you belong to as well. Okay, so I'll be reading them as person 1, person 2. One person could be is you, and the other person is your other person who's affecting your energy at this point. Okay, and Gemini, I also have a little announcement. Okay, so I was about to say I have successfully completed 1 month on this channel, and as a thank you to all of you, I am going to be giving you all subscribers a 3-card free reading. Okay, so just send me a question, and here I have the 6 of Wands, the victory card. So just send me an email on omkara@gmail.com with your question, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Only one thing, Aquarius, please send these questions before the 15th of June of this month. That's it. Okay, so till now I have the 6 of Wands, the 3 of Swords in reverse, the Ace of Cups in reverse, Ace of Wands in reverse, and the 5 of Cups, 9 of Wands in reverse. That is strange. Somebody is victorious and leaving their pain behind of something that didn't work out. But we'll get to this. We'll do the clarifications. Okay, so person 2 has the Death Rebirth card. They have the 7 of Wands, the 6 of Pentacles in reverse, 10 of Cups in reverse, 3 of Pentacles in reverse, and the 9 of Cups in reverse. Aquarius. Okay, Mutual, King of Cups in reverse, the World in reverse, and the Sun. What a strange reading. Let's start clarifying. So one person here, Aquarius, on side A is feeling pretty good. Okay, they feel victorious, they feel strong, and this could also be ego, right? It could also mean ego and pride. Somebody is just trying to show the other person I don't care, and they've let their ego and pride get in the middle of this relationship, because they see there was some kind of conflict in the past, and the person A is releasing that. Person A is, yes, definitely egoistic at this point. Their pride and ego is getting in the middle of this relationship, and they are not wanting to reach out to person B, is trying to heal themselves of whatever heartbreak there was. And they feel, one second, before I talk too much, let me take a clarifier for the 3 of Swords. Spirit, what is this 3 of Swords in reverse? This is such a strange reading. I have all these cards, and I also have the Sun in the middle, and the World card in reverse. That means things are still going to happen. Okay, so person A is sitting depressed because they were hoping to get a message from the other person. Okay, they wanted to be in control and they wanted to feel strong and victorious. They were keeping their ego, not in check, and they decided that I should be the one who should be offered this reconciliation after this fight or whatever pain that happened. And maybe that hasn't come, and that's led to a lot of pain right now. And person A is thinking, oh my God, have I lost this love? Okay, because I don't see anything moving forward. And right now, whatever pride and ego they were in, I think it's coming full circle and going down, and they're not feeling that victorious anymore. Okay, because they've realized that nothing is happening, and maybe I'm being left out in the cold here, and they're still sitting in their energy of of feeling bad and sad about what happened and what they've lost. So let's take a clarifier for the Ace of Wands for person A. Spirit, can we have a clarifier for the... See, no apology. No apology was extended. You were sitting in your pride, hoping the other person would come with a sorry or a whatever, and that hasn't come, and that's making you feel really bad and sad. And now you're feeling bad. Now you're feeling bad because everything's become stagnant. Okay, and now you're wondering whether maybe it's high time that you did, and maybe you took a little. Sent out a little message or something, because you realize there's no more growth happening in this relationship. That's not making you feel very good. Okay, this was something that was very dear to you. You really had high hopes for this relationship. So I think your ego and pride has come in the middle, or somebody's has. Something went really wrong in the past. Okay, I have the Queen of Swords and the Knight of Swords in reverse. So there was some fight, there was some major fight, but right now you really want to bring balance back and bring justice to the situation, because you've realized that your ego and pride is not going to get you anywhere. Okay, so I think person A, you are on the verge of putting down your guard this week. Yes, and bring some balance back. Yeah, justice and temperance. This is what you want this week. Okay, so you've decided enough of crying over spilt milk. I want to put down my defenses now and maybe try and heal this relationship. That's a good thing. I'm very happy. I hope you guys do get back together. Now, I don't know who this is, Aquarius, if this is you or this is your person. Okay, some ego pride got into the way of this connection, and neither of us, or at least person A, did not take an apology. And now this week I think they are really feeling bad, they're really depressed and sad and feeling bad that whatever happened, and they want to bring balance and justice back to this equation. Let's see what person B is feeling. Person B is, let's take a clarifier. Now, is person B feeling this is over, or does person B want a rebirth in this connection? Spirit, can we have one card, please? This person is still feeling really angry. This person is still feeling very sad and is wondering whether this is the end of this relationship. Okay, this person is trying to keep themselves also very defensive, very guarded, because maybe they had expectations and they feel that there was no equal give and take in this situation here, and whatever commitment they were expecting did not come through. Okay, they don't seem happy at all. Their Ten of Cups is in reverse. They're feeling sad and upset, and both of you, Aquarius, you and your person, this week I think have the Nine of Wands in reverse. So are you guys giving up here? This Nine of Wands in reverse could also mean giving up. Okay, both of you are in that feeling that is it time to give up? They feel somebody, they got tricked out of a new beginning with you. Or if this is you, you're feeling tricked out of a new beginning with person A. They don't look very happy. They're looking miserable. This is Nine of Cups in reverse. Nine of Cups is a card of emotionally being satisfied, having everything they want. And no, not at all. They're feeling very burdened. Very, very burdened. And the Three of Pentacles is in reverse as well, which is basically the card of working together and things coming together in a prosperous way. They are trying to see things from a different perspective now. Okay, maybe there was a lot of addiction there was a lot of addiction, I think, between the two of you. Okay, you feel chained and tied to each other, and maybe there was some toxic behavior that happened in the past, but they're coming to realize that after this enlightenment, maybe they took some time out or whatever, that whatever toxicity that there was in this relationship actually is not there, and maybe there is genuine love between the two of you. Okay, they're seeing things from a different perspective. What they thought was toxic, they are realizing now that maybe this was genuine love. Let's take one more card. Ooh, okay. They're very stressed out about it. Very, very stressed out about it. Person B is very stressed out, not being able to sleep at night, having nightmares, worrying all night, staying up all night, and not happy at all. Not happy at all. But they're just, so negative in their heart space right now, the heart chakra, and that they are not being able to use their intuition correctly either. Okay, and they're trying very hard. They're trying very, very hard to figure out, what was this relationship just toxic, or is it possible that there was love here, and maybe there is a possibility of their wishes coming true, wish fulfillment. Maybe there is genuine love here. Maybe there is a possibility of reconciliation. Maybe there is a possibility that you both can move away from this troubled times and troubled waters. Okay, so this person is I think coming to the changing their mind. They are trying very hard to see it from a different perspective. Okay, let's see your mutual energies, Aquarius. King of Cups in reverse and the World in reverse. The World in reverse is basically not wanting to shut down a cycle. Okay, and the King of Cups upright is a king who doesn't show his emotions. Okay, I think this week, Aquarius, I've been seeing this going on for the last couple of weeks now, whatever's been going through. And one person was supposed to go out and apologize to the other, but you guys are just not, doing it. I don't know why. But I think this week, somebody is going to show their emotions. Okay? Finally going to stop this mind manipulation or keeping emotions hidden, because I don't think either of you want this chapter to end. The World is in reverse. And finally, I also have the most beautiful card of the deck, which is in your mutual energy this week, which is, yes, people don't want to, finish this and start anew anywhere else. You just don't want a fresh new beginning elsewhere. You don't want to go and finish what you have with each other, okay? You don't want to shut this chapter down. What you both want is this, the sun. Okay, anything hidden, any secrets if there are, you both want to tell each other, you want to come back to each other, find happiness with each other. Let's see what Spirit has to say. Spirit-wise, they're the sun in the mutual energy for Aquarius and their person this week. This much I've understood, that neither of you want to let this go. So, why is the sun here, Spirit, for Aquarius in their mutual energy? You don't want this tower to fall, that's for sure. Okay, and if things haven't worked out in the past, and there was somebody who was not, being this King of Pentacles and coming forth in a emotionally mature way, you guys want to put all that in the past and start a brand new cycle with each other. Okay, I don't see, with the Sun card being here, I don't see this as an ending. I see an ending here of the old to begin something new. This is in your mutual energy. If it was on one side, I would have said, okay, one person wants to shut it down and move ahead. But because this is in your mutual energy. Both of you want to put an end to whatever was toxic or whatever was not working and start something new together and bring happiness back into this relationship. Finally, Aquarius, please, I put a comment down whenever this happens. It's going to make me very happy, if nothing else. Okay, one more card, Spirit, one more card. Last card for the Sun. One more card. I think Aquarius really needs this. You need one clarification. Yes, move ahead. Okay, now the Queen of Wands is a go-getter. She is forward-thinking. She moves ahead with passion. And maybe Aquarius, if this is you, that's how you feel. And this is how the other person sees you, or vice versa. Yes, there is going to be some forward movement, okay, with happiness. Let's see what the angels want to bless you with, Aquarius. Aquarius, before I finish this reading, you probably see the Omkara blue logo floating on your screen. If you can just click that, that'll be very, very nice of you. And you can then also send me a question. If you have a question for me, I'll send you a 3-card pre-reading. You guys are very stressed out, Aquarius. I think you've been overthinking the situation for too long. You need some rest, okay? And maybe there is a possibility the questions that you have may come to you, the answers may come to you in a dream as well, okay? So rest it out a little bit. If you or your person or both of you have been overthinking this relationship, have been overstressing about it, I think it's time to just give all your worries to the angels now, okay? Take some rest and maybe a higher education. This is not asking you to go back to school, Aquarius. This is telling you to read between the lines, okay? See, take a little time off, okay? Take a little time off, go through whatever has happened and take an educated guess. Educated decision, I would say, as to how and what you should do to put this together. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Take care and see you soon.